Hey, it's Jack Miller here from Jack's Digital Ventures, and welcome to my MWR Life Review. On today's agenda, we're going to cover: is it a scam? How does it work? Is it worth buying? And are there better alternatives? Make sure you stay to the end so you can have all the info you need to make an informed decision. Plus, I do also have a special free gift for you. But before we begin, you must be wondering who I am and why you should be listening to me. So my name is Jack Miller, and I've been making money online, working from home for the past 6 years. But my story begins about 7 years back when I was hit with some nasty health complications, which left me with a ton of medical bills. And this was on top of having a 9-to-5 call center job I absolutely hated. My life was just a complete living nightmare with no hope of escape. I just couldn't take it anymore, and I knew I had to do something. So I hopped on the internet to find a way to make money online and turn my life around. In my struggles, I bought a bunch of different programs and courses, and some of them worked, but most of them did not. But luckily enough for me, I was eventually able to pay off all my medical bills. And I was even able to leave my 9-to-5 job for a period of time. So if you like videos about making money online, then feel free to hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. And before we begin, here's a quick disclaimer. I haven't personally bought this program, so this review is based on public info, other user reviews, and my own analysis. These are just my opinions, and some links below are affiliate links, which means I earn a commission if you buy through them at no extra cost to you. As always, you should make sure to do your own research. Alright, now with that out of the way, let's get started. So what is this program? MWR Life is a membership-based company that offers financial and lifestyle-related services. The platform promotes tools focused on things like credit improvement, financial education, and travel savings. Alongside the services, MWR Life also includes a referral-based income opportunity. And who is the creator? MWR Life is operated by MWR Life, which has gone through multiple rebrands over time. The leadership team promotes financial empowerment as the company's main mission. However, much of the public attention around MWR Life comes from its business model rather than its services. And how does the program work? Members pay a monthly fee to access financial tools and lifestyle benefits. The company offers services such as credit-related education and access to a travel discount platform. Members can also earn commissions by recruiting others into the membership. As your team grows, you can earn additional bonuses and rank-based rewards. And how much does this program cost? MWR Life operates on a subscription model with a recurring monthly fee. There's also a separate cost for affiliates who want to participate in the income opportunity too. Over time, these recurring fees can add up, especially if the services aren't fully used. So is it a scam? MWR Life is a real company offering real services, so it is not a fake operation. However, the business model raises concerns because income is closely tied to recruiting new members. All things considered, it's a bit unclear how much value exists without the recruitment side. This creates questions about whether the structure leans more towards a pyramid-style model. And now it's time to go over the good and the bad. Let's start off with the good. Number 1. The company focuses on financial education, which is an important skill many people want to improve. Number 2. Some members may find value in the bundled services if they actively use them. Number 3. The platform offers a structured community and support system for participants. And now here's the bad. Number 1. Earnings appear to rely heavily on recruiting rather than selling services to outside members. Number 2. The true value of the services without the income opportunity is often questioned. Number 3. Recurring monthly fees can become a burden if results don't materialize. Okay, so what's the final verdict? MWR Life offers financial and lifestyle services combined with a referral-based business model. While the services themselves may be legitimate, the compensation structure raises some red flags. This type of model is not suitable for everyone, especially those uncomfortable with recruiting. If you're considering MWR Life, it's important to evaluate the services on their own, not just the income potential. Okay, so that's all well and good, but what if you're not interested in this program? Is there a faster, easier, more effective alternative? There sure is. And how can you find out more about this alternative? By checking out my free gift in the pinned comment below. It's a free online training about my personal favorite strategy to make money online. The same strategy that helped me pay off my medical bills and escape from my 9-to-5 job for a period of time. Again, check out the pin comment below to get started with my free training. But that's all from me today. Thanks for watching my video. You take care and have a great day.